Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese melt easy guide. Start by selecting a melty cheese and grating it finely. Heat slowly over low to medium heat while stirring constantly to keep texture smooth. Add a splash of milk or cream if the mixture looks dry to help it emulsify. Avoid boiling and remove from heat at glossy, fluid consistency for perfect melted cheese every time. Gather your tools before you begin so melting goes smoothly and stress-free. A heavy-bottomed pan prevents hot spots and sticking, while a whisk helps maintain a glossy, even texture. Keep your cheese chilled and grate it fresh so it melts more uniformly, and have a small amount of liquid ready, milk or cream, to coax a silky consistency. Gentle heat and steady motion are the keys to success. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical cooking tips. Quick recommendation. I love the Kindle Paperwhite for reading recipes hands-free in the kitchen and on the go, and it pairs nicely with cozy cooking sessions. Check the description for the product link and more deals, and if you bought something through it, you help out the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Try different techniques based on your cheese and dish to get reliable results every time. A double boiler softens cheese gently without risking grainy texture, while adding butter or cream helps bind fats and proteins for a cohesive sauce. A tiny splash of lemon juice or wine can brighten flavor and stabilize the emulsion. Practice with small batches to learn how specific cheeses behave for your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.